Hi, this is an introduction video on ions. So ions are charged particles because they have gained or lost electrons. Back from unit 1, we learned that cations are positively charged because they lost electrons, and anions are negatively charged because they gained electrons. Now, if you think about it, electrons are negative. If you lose something negative, that makes you more positive, which is why losing electrons is actually positive, making something positively charged. And when you gain electrons, that's actually making something less charged. So let's see, we have Ba and Ba2+, barium cation. So barium has an atomic number of 56. Atomic number. And its mass is 137.38 mass. So from this information, we can find the protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons is 56, straight from the atomic number. In a neutral atom, this is neutral. Electrons equal protons, so 56 electrons as well. Now, 137.38 minus 56 which gives us about 81 neutrons. Now, the other weight goes into the electrons, but that's not really important, and all we need to know is that there's 81 electrons, and I found it by rounding this number into 137 minus 56 equals 87 neutrons. Now, let's do an example with Ba cation. So, Ba cation, remember, protons give an atom its identity. So, as long as barium, the proton number will not change. It will have 56 protons. Now the electrons, now this is an ion, this is no longer neutrally charged, so it will have a change in electrons. The change in electrons makes it 2+. What does 2+ mean? Lost electrons. Barium lost 2 electrons. Subtract 2, 54 electrons. 2+ means gaining 2 electrons. No, 2+ meaning losing 2 electrons. 56 minus 2, 54. And now our atomic mass did not change because all we lost was some electrons, and they're too insignificant to count into the mass. So our number of neutrons per proton plus protons equals the mass, did not change at all. So 87N, 56P, 56P. The only thing changed was the electrons. I'll show you how to draw Bohr models with these in a future video, but right now I'm going to tell you. Bohr model, you draw it exactly the same, except all you change is the number of protons. You might need to add a whole new shell, you might need to decrease a whole new shell, or you might not change it at all. All you do is increase or decrease the electrons. I'll do another example in a future video. Thank you for watching.